Now here is how we can turn on the reason for calling on the iPhone. And if you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So it would kind of look like this, that before some number is going to call you, you have the ability to send them a message, which is going to be this generic one like, hi, if you just let me know your name and the reason for calling, I might actually end up picking it up, right? And they can just write something, you can write something back, and that's all before you even pick up the phone, right? And that can be found when you go to your settings, then at the bottom find the apps section and scroll through the apps. It's all sorted alphabetically, obviously, and just go to the phone app, and you should be able to find it like in this section. It's part of the call screening section right there. So as you can see, screen unknown callers, and I can enable the ask reason for calling, right? So calls from unsaved numbers will be asked for more information before iPhone rings. So yeah, calling and data rates may apply. This heavily depends on your carrier and the location and everything, but that's like the way to turn it on. So is it useful? I personally don't have much experience with it. I like to just filter or silence calls like this, and also filter unknown callers. I don't really care about the ask reason for calling, but you can definitely give it a try, and perhaps let me know in the comments below if it ever worked well for you. Let me know your thoughts, but I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.